the young people living without job, who ain't turning hoes and bowlers, they thieving and robber. You say how they lazy and they don't see head. They don't give you so much in a row and can't buy a bread. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and face picker Julian, all you mash up the land. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and that head cook Julian, all you mash up the land.
Look at the picture in front of now. I don't know what to call them youth there, if them are the three stooge. But, yo, so-called contract killer and the person who hired them, all three of them end up get time at prison in a St. Vincent. I tell you now about it. Yo, I don't know if the three stooge or St. Vincent most dumbest criminal them to buckle it. But let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Yo, before me go any further, may I say, hey boy, Shotty Mark, you think me don't know where you're there? Eh? You try screech your back and down at the little, what you call it, your girl store, the Dominican girl store, dog. Listen man, me I go talk about you know, but me I deal with this first. And me I rinse you out on another video, cause you must think I joke, me I joke with you. Now, people, I want you look on them three man here. Look at the picture in front of you. That's Kedeen, Woody Douglas on the left. Richard Carib Francis and Chanel Jacket Dunbar. Now, them three youth here, them gone to prison yesterday in a St. Vincent. And I one of the most, I don't know if I the most dumbest or the weirdest case me ever see. But me I go take my time and explain this case to you. How the man them end up a prison star. I don't know if I'm the most dumbest criminal in a St. Vincent or the most bravest. Let's go. Look at the picture. Now on the left you have Richard Carib Francis and you have Constable Danroy Cozier. Now these two men met in an accident as far as the report says. Mr. Richard Francis crashed into the constable car when the constable was with his wife. Now they came and they made an agreement and Mr. Francis was supposed to give the constable Danroy some money and they agreed on a sum of money. Now Mr. Constable Danroy was at his mother's house and Mr. Francis called him and told him to meet. But before that, Mr. Francis, from what the paper said in the court, was hiding from Mr. Conroy, and then out of the blue he called the constable and tell the constable, come get your money. So the constable decided to meet up with him. So the constable and his brother decide to meet up with Richard Francis. Now the constable was at his mother, you know, and him say, alright, little brother. That's his little brother on the right side. Ride with me. Go check this dude. So they met up at a place called, I think, Saxon Hall. It might be a little area. And they jumped into Mr. Francis' van. When they jumped in Mr. Francis' van, the This guy right here, Mr. Dunbar, was in the back waiting for them. Mr. Dunbar shot and killed the constable, Dan Roy, and his brother, and the post-mortem said they were shot in the head. Now they took the two bodies and dumped them on the beach in Sion Hall, and that's where the police retrieved the body. So the police cracked the case by going to the constable family and asked, what did he do in the last 24 hours? And they said he was supposed to meet Francis. So then the police went to Francis and arrest Francis and Douglas, sorry. And then they said, they talked about the murder, they even found bloody clothes, but they said they didn't kill anybody, they participated in it. And Mr. Dunbar was the one who shot both the brothers in the head. Now, when you participate in a murder, that means you're just as guilty as the person who pulled the trigger. Now, in this case, the person who set up the murder, the Francis, he got 34 years. And the other guy, Mr. Douglas, the one who found Mr. Dunbar, he got, I think, around the same time. And then the killer, he got the most time out of everybody. Now, with this case, like I said, I just want to show how St. Vincent is. It's not a bed of roses. Enough man might think, say, yeah man, a small island and everything cool and we can do this and we can do that. But yo, St. Vincent, just as dangerous as Jamaica when you really think about it. Because it's smaller, 110,000 people, and the kind of crime that is going on there, it's just like Jamaica. So imagine if they had 3 million people, and then the system is politically charged, meaning you have politicians who is influencing the gang and working with the gangs, and I'm going to talk about that in other videos. But you actually have live politicians down there working with the gangs and doing all sort of crazy stuff. But yeah, it's kind of F up, but at least we know them man there at the time, and St. Vincent really cracked the case here, the police. So I just wanted to bring this to the viewers and subscribers to show them that St. Vincent is not a place to play with either. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And remember, Shotty Mark, you think you can be out there hiding? I am coming for you, Shotty Mark. Watch this.